Friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Rian. In this class, we have learned that how to build a revamp and exiting site in HTML and CSS. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. You can see my previous videos is very easy videos and step by step. You can go to my my videos and check it. It is also beginners level. My videos is very easy. Okay, so go to my tomorrow video. Okay, so you can do it. Is very helpful for your and in tomorrow video I will build it how to build a restaurant website. In this class we have learned that how to build the revamp and exiting website in HTML and CSS, and I will not take your long time. So let's start. So now, first of all, here I will go, and here I will go, and here I will, so sorry, here I will erase it, quit opera. So I will go to the here, erase it, no. So I will open index.html. So index.html is okay, so it is open it. So now, first of all, here I will go save here. So here I will go to the here file, and here I will click the new file, new file. Here I will go, here I will write yes index.html, yes. Here go to the second file, here I will write style.css and style.css, and here done. So now here I will go to the here I will save to the here and save to the here, refresh to the here. So it is done. So I will side by side because you are a beginner level. So here I will go and in that.html file. Now here I will go and here I will easily write HTML, then tab it. So now it is come. So I will go to the here. Here I will write build a revamp and site and revamp site, revamp exiting and site in HTML and CSS slash CSS programming with Rian. Build a revamp exiting site in HTML and CSS. So I will go to the here down. Here I will write link 2x tab style.css. Here I will go. Here I will erase this all things. So no, it is no error. I will erase only that. Done. So now, first of all, I will go to the here and here I will write easily as here I will write h1 and here my h1 should be logo. So save here, refresh, so logo is come easily to the here. So now, first of all, here I will go and here I will write br tag one time, enter br tag two times, save here, refresh. So 2 times is no, 3 times save here, refresh. So 3 times is also no, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, save here, refresh. So it is done. So here I will go and here I will write easily as first of all font family should be Montserrat and Serif Dhanawak. So here I will go and here I will write background image. So my background image URL. So I will go to the here and here I will write like Pixabay, and now here I will pick the images like revamp. So enter press. So no revamp, not here. I will go to the here and here I will write like sky images. So I will pick like, it is also good. I will pick this image because it is very awesome. Pixel free download. So it is downloaded. So here I will save, refresh. So till here my work is done. So now I will my download I will my picture. So I will go to the downloads. Here this is my picture. So I will go to the here and here it has come to the here and here I will write easily as pic. So here I will go and go to the here I will pic.jpg. save here, refresh, so my picture is come, but I will erase this now. Save here, refresh, so it is come. So now, first of all, here my picture is come, but it is not like good picture. So I will go to the here. Here I will write background attachment should be fixed. Background position should be center. Background repeat should be no repeat. Font family should be Montserrat. Sans serif, save here, refresh, it is done. So now here I will go to the here. Now till here my work is done, but my picture is not fitting, so here I will done. So it is done our work, but my picture is not like good, so it here I will go. So no, my picture is like good, so I will go to the erase it, save here, refresh, so done. So I will go to the here, and here I will write H1 color should be white, FF, save here, refresh, so done. So now here I will write padding 20 pixels, save here, refresh, so padding is also done my. So I will go to the here, and now here I will go, and here I will write paragraph, and here I will write lorem, tab it, so it is come easily as. So here I will BR copy it, paste time, save here, refresh, so it is also is come. So now my BR tag is coming, so here I will erase one BR tag, save here, refresh, so my work is done, but it is like not good. BR tag, tab, go to the down, BR tag done, save here, refresh, so now we go to the style.css, here enter press P, and here I will write font, and here I will write font families done, so here I will write only color should be FF, and here I will go padding should be 20 pixels, save here, refresh, so it is also done. So now I will erase only his BR tag one, so another save here, refresh, so I will only one time BR tag, save here, refresh, so one time is done. So it is my work is done till here, so sorry. So now here I will go. So now here I will go to the down, and here I will write H1. So my H1 should be H2, and H2 should be my nav bar. Save here, refresh, so it is also done. So here I will pick one time BR tag, save here, refresh, so till here my work is done. So I will go to the here H2, H2 color should be FF, save here, refresh, and here I will go padding 20 pixels, save here, refresh, so it is also my work is done. So here you can see it. So my picture so not like good, I will, so I pick it any like I pick my image, like I will see this image, it is also fit or not. I will download it, and now it is downloaded. Now here I will go mountains, here I will, here it says also picture. So now here I will go to the here I will write picture, save here, refresh, so it is like good, but it is not like good. So I will go to the here I will also write another lorem, tab, save here, sorry, save to the here, go to the here, refresh, so it is done, but it is not like BR tag again, BR tag here, and top, so BR tag here, now here BR tag here, save here, sorry, save to the here, go here, refresh, so it is done my work till here. So but his done work till here. Okay, so here you can see it. Easily I will make revamp, build the revamp exiting site in HTML and CSS. And I hope you guys enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So for today.